In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Claude AI format responses in bullet points. If you've ever wished your AI answers were cleaner and easier to scan, this walkthrough is for you. We'll move from opening Claude to crafting a prompt that reliably returns clear, well-structured bullet points, and then we'll fine-tune the output so it matches your exact needs. First, open Claude AI in your browser or the desktop app. Either works the same for this tutorial. Once you're in, start a fresh conversation by selecting New Chat. A clean chat helps Claude focus on the context you're about to provide without distractions from previous messages. Now, type your main question or topic. Be direct and specific so Claude knows what to cover. For example, you might ask, "What are the benefits of remote work?" This gives Claude a clear scope. Immediately follow your question with an instruction to format the answer as bullet points. Keep it plain and explicit. You can say, "Please answer in bullet points." This single line is what nudges Claude to structure the response into digestible points instead of a long paragraph. You can optionally add more formatting guidance right after that line, which helps tailor the output to your preferences. If you want brevity, add "Keep the points concise." If you need to control scope, include "Limit to a specific number of points," and specify the number that suits your use case. If clarity is your top priority, append "Use simple language." Combining these cues might look like, "Please answer in bullet points. Keep the points concise, limit to 5, and use simple language." The more clearly you describe the format, the more closely Claude will match it. Once your prompt looks good, press Enter to send it. Claude will generate an answer formatted as bullet points that align with the instructions you included. If the output isn't exactly what you had in mind, refine your request directly in the same chat. Provide a short, constructive follow-up, like rewrite your answer using short, one-line bullet points. You can also clarify any detail, such as asking for fewer points or simpler wording, until the structure and tone feel right. Iterating like this helps you lock in a repeatable prompt style you can reuse for future questions. That's it. With a clear question, a direct instruction to use bullet points, optional formatting details, and a quick refinement when needed, you'll get organized, readable answers from Claude every time.